Alright, to turn off your Vivo V40 we have several ways. The first one is basic. We need to find the power button and volume up buttons, which we need to press and hold so we can see the power off menu appears on the screen. And now you need to select the power off option and then confirm your choice. Or as for another option, you can just hold the power button like that, and if in your case Google Assistant activates, then you would need to go in the settings. Here find the shortcuts and accessibility tab, and for the press and hold power button you can switch from Google Assistant to enable the power and emergency menu. Let's try this out again. I'm gonna press the button and now we can see the power off menu. And if your phone is logging and does not react to your touches, you can just press and hold power and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds. Yes, sometimes screenshot can be taken. This is totally normal. Just continue holding the buttons so the screen will turn off, and then you will see the Vivo's logo appears on the screen, and we can release the buttons. So the phone will restart and it will turn on within a couple of seconds. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.